How much should you actually spend on a bidet sprayer for your toilet? People are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Arofa Handheld Bidet Sprayer. First up is the Arofa Handheld Bidet Sprayer. Priced at $48.44, this one caught my attention with its sleek brushed nickel design and the fact that it comes in a 2-pack. If you want better personal hygiene and convenience at your fingertips, this is worth a serious look. So here's why this product solves your problem. The Arofa sprayer has a flow rate of 1.2 gallons per minute, which means you get a solid stream of water for effective cleaning. It's designed for easy installation, no plumber required, and is certified to be leak-resistant, so you won't have to worry about any messy surprises. The adjustable pressure feature is a game changer. You can switch from a gentle spray to a more powerful jet spray with just a push of a button. This versatility makes it ideal not just for personal hygiene, but also for cleaning cloth diapers or even giving your pets a bath. With over 1,500 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, people are clearly loving it. Now, some people complained about the installation instructions not being clear enough. Here's the thing though, for most DIYers, this shouldn't be a deal breaker since it doesn't require any special tools. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable and stylish bidet sprayer that offers a variety of uses. Skip this one if you want something more high-tech or electric. At its price point, it delivers solid value for money. Now, if the installation complexity of the Arofa bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Arofa Black Bidet Sprayer. Next up, we have the Arofa Black Bidet Sprayer, which is priced at $33.99. It's another bestseller that caught my eye because it comes in a sleek matte black finish. If you want a stylish option that cuts toilet paper usage, this is definitely worth considering. This bidet sprayer offers the same impressive flow rate of 1.2 gallons per minute, giving you that necessary pressure to clean effectively. The ergonomic design makes cleaning more hygienic than traditional toilet paper. Plus, it has adjustable water pressure, making it useful for various situations, whether you're cleaning yourself or rinsing cloth diapers. With over 768 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's clear that buyers appreciate the functionality and design. However, some users found the black finish shows water spots more easily. Just keep a cloth handy and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you are looking for an affordable yet stylish bidet sprayer that is easy to install. Skip this one if you prefer a more polished look that requires less maintenance. Overall, it offers great value for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those wanting a bit more versatility. Product number 3, Luxe Bidet NEO 120 White. Coming in at number 3 is the Luxe Bidet NEO 120 in white, priced at $39.99. Its neat design and self-cleaning nozzle really caught my attention. If you're looking for a low-maintenance upgrade for your bathroom, this one's worth a serious look. The adjustable water pressure is another great feature, allowing you to customize your experience. The installation is incredibly easy. You can have it set up in just minutes with the included tools. Plus, with over 102,100 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, people clearly trust this product for its quality. On the downside, some users have noted that the pressure might not be strong enough for them. For those looking for a gentle clean, this is perfect. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, easy-to-use bidet attachment that requires minimal maintenance. Skip this one if you need something with a more powerful spray. For its price, it's one of the best values for a non-electric bidet. Now, if the limited pressure of the Luxe NEO 120 is a concern, then you'll love the next product that offers a robust design. Product number 4, Luxe Bidet NEO 120 Blue. Next is another version of the Luxe Bidet NEO 120, but in a striking blue color, also priced at $39.99. If you want a fun twist to your bathroom decor while enjoying the benefits of a bidet, this one's for you. Like the white version, this blue model features the same self-cleaning nozzle and adjustable water pressure. This means you get all the same sanitary benefits and easy installation, just attach it to your standard two-piece toilet. With a similar reputation, it's backed by over 102,100 reviews, maintaining that solid 4.6-star rating. That said, some might find the blue color a bit too bold for their taste. Here's the thing though, it's a unique option that can add personality to your bathroom, so it might just be a pro for some. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a stylish yet functional bidet that stands out. Skip this if you're someone who prefers a more neutral color scheme. Either way, it offers incredible value for what you're getting. Alright, that covers the luxe options. But if you're on a tighter budget, the next one is definitely something to consider. Product number 5, LUFEIDRA Handheld Bidet Sprayer. Finally, we have the LUFEIDRA Handheld Bidet Sprayer priced at just $19.99. Honestly, its great price point and solid features caught my attention. If you're looking for an economical yet effective option, this might be your best bet. This sprayer features adjustable water pressure, allowing you to customize how you clean. One of its standout features is the leak-resistant design, which prevents drips and ensures your bathroom stays dry. It's also made from durable materials, ensuring it lasts. With over 6,100 reviews and a rating of 4.5 stars, it's clearly a popular choice among budget-conscious shoppers. However, some users mention that the installation can be tricky for first-timers. But if you're totally unsure, it may take a bit longer. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want a reliable bidet sprayer for multiple uses. Skip this if you're looking for a luxury model with more advanced features. At this price, you really can't go wrong. Now let's wrap this up and quickly compare all 5 of these excellent options. So there you have it. We covered the Arofa Handheld Bidet Sprayer, the stylish Arofa Black Bidet, the Luxe Bidet NEO 120 in both white and blue, and finally the budget-friendly LUFEIDRA Sprayer. Each product has its unique benefits, whether it's style, ease of use, or budget friendliness. Choose the one that meets your needs and you'll definitely be making a smarter choice for your bathroom.